Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade noodles for chicken noodle soup. Start by measuring 2 cups flour, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and a splash of water, then mix until crumbly. Knead for about 8 minutes until smooth and elastic, then cover and rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Roll the dough thin, dust with flour, and cut into even strips before cooking briefly in the simmering soup. In this video, I will show how to make homemade noodles for chicken noodle soup. Start by flattening the rested dough and fold it a few times to build layers, then roll progressively thinner. Dust with flour to prevent sticking and aim for consistent thickness so noodles cook evenly. Cut into strips and gently separate them with your fingers. Parboil briefly or finish directly in simmering chicken broth until tender yet firm. In this video, I will show how to make homemade noodles for chicken noodle soup. If you are enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and spills with voice control, so you can focus on rolling dough instead of sweeping. It's a handy kitchen sidekick that keeps counters tidy between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make homemade noodles for chicken noodle soup. Add the fresh noodles to simmering broth and stir gently to prevent clumping, cooking until al dente, which usually takes only a few minutes. Reserve some cooking water to adjust soup consistency if needed, and finish with chopped herbs for brightness. If not serving immediately, toss noodles with a little oil to keep them separated before chilling or freezing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.